frustrated seeing all these cool cupcakes on Food Network and you don't even know how to make them yourself, much less teach your kids? Do you hope to learn step by step how to have fun engaging with your kids as they make cupcakes that look like Carrot Patch and peacocks, hamburgers, unicorns, and shark attacks? You know that COVID has left you frustrated and trying to find activities to do with your kids, and your stress level has been going up and up. What if we could teach you how to engage your kids in making these cool cupcakes, and they will make your kitchen smell so good and your kids will feel like an actual TV star?